Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your magazine covers, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a magazine cover for free in your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a magazine cover in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe promoting an online magazine, you need a catchy magazine cover. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a magazine cover, you want to click on the search bar right here at the top and type in magazine cover. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different templates. But first, what you want to do is click on see all here on the top right in purple. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the magazine covers that are available for you to use inside Canva. Now, most of these are free. However, if they have a $sign on the bottom right, like this one right here, or a crown sign, that means it is a paid option. So next you want to go ahead and just scroll through until you see one that kind of matches your brand. So this one looks pretty cool. Let me go ahead and check on that one. Okay, once you click on it, it's going to show you more information about that magazine cover. And if you scroll down, it's going to show you other options. Sometimes you can find a better one if you look down a little further. So for me, this one looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and just click here on customize this template. Okay, next it's going to open up the Canva editor. This is how you can go ahead and create your magazine cover. So it's actually pretty easy. It's like setting up a Facebook page. First thing I'll do is I'll usually zoom in a little bit. That way it's a little easier for me to work so I can see that. And then if you hover over each individual section, you're going to see this purple bar around it. That means you can edit that section. So for example, we're going to go ahead and change this from Recetas, and let me go ahead and just change this to my name. Okay, now you can see it's a little too big because the Y ended up down here. So you can go ahead and click up here and just resize the font. Okay, so that looks good. And you can also change the color. So it's in white right now, but maybe we want to go ahead and change that into a black. Yeah, that actually looks better. And then let's see here. We'll change this. Okay, let me shrink that down a little bit. Okay, I actually don't like this color. It's kind of hard to see. So let me change that. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see because of everything that's going on in the background, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and change this back image. So next what we're going to do is go ahead and click on here, and then you're going to see the image is encapsulated by this purple box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change it to one of my images over here on the left. I'm going to click on uploads. Okay, now you're going to see all of the images that you have inside of Canva. You can see I just have these two. If the image that you want to use on your magazine cover is not showing up here, you can upload right here from your computer, and then it'll be saved right here in your library. And you can even use that image for other projects. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and use this image, and there's not really a way to like right click and then add in the image that I know of. So what I would normally do is just grab the image and just drag it right on over, and you just drag it to where you want it. So if you want, you can drag it right there, and it's going to show up right there in the middle, but we don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag it over, and then you're going to see it auto populate right into the background. All right, so that looks good. And then you just let go, and it updates the back of the magazine cover. And you can also add in other features. So over here on the left, you can click on elements, and there's a lot of different elements. So like if you want a sticker in there, so like maybe this little arrow, just drag it on over, and you can see it drops in kind of large, but don't worry because you can actually decrease the size of this. So just shrink it down like this, and then you can kind of move it around. Okay, now we have the arrow there. Also, you can add in other pictures. So for example, what I like to do is I'll go here to elements, and then I'll go down to frames. So like a picture frame, and then I'll just grab one of these frames. So basically this is going to allow me to put a picture in with this around it. So this is kind of like a little cloud feature. Drag that right on over there. Okay. And then you can resize the cloud. So this is going to be the frame. We're going to put our picture right in the middle. All right. So right up here. And then once you have it where you want it, you're going to go over here to uploads, and then just grab one of your pictures and just drag it right over the cloud or the frame. And you'll see it just drops in and it gives it that nice shape around it. And since this is a magazine cover, let's go ahead and put a date in here. So we'll grab a text right here, and then I'm going to click here, add a text box. Okay. So here's my text box. So we're going to go ahead and add the edition. So maybe this is magazine edition 3, 2024. Okay. So then we'll put that right up here on the top left. Okay. So for me, that looks pretty good. So you can just kind of play around with it. You're probably a lot more artistic than I am, but actually to me, that looks kind of like a magazine cover. And the next, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click right up here at the top and just rename this file Anthony magazine cover. Okay. And now what you can do is go up here to the top right. If you're going to be printing this out, you can print directly with Canva, and then they'll have that shipped right to you. So there is a cost associated with that if you want, or if you're going to print locally, you're going to click here on share, and then you want to click on download. Right. Once you click on download, you want to change the file type. So your printer is going to tell you what file type to use: PDF, PNG, JPG, PDF print. But if you're going to be using this online, you can use a different file type. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and just use PDF standard, and then I'm going to click on download. Okay, now it's downloading. Okay, a quick second later, my magazine cover opens up in a PDF file, as you can see right here. So let me zoom out a little bit and show you what that looks like. So there is my magazine cover that we created in Canva for free. That's with my free Canva account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a magazine cover in Canva for free, that's the easiest way way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.